Guys, fear has a way of convincing us to stay where we are, even when our heart is asking for something more. And if you've ever wanted to start something new, change careers, launch a business, or pursue a dream, you've probably heard fear whisper these two words: what if? What if I fail? What if I lose money? What if people judge me? What if I'm not good enough? Today, I want to talk about how to move forward despite those questions, because fear isn't the enemy. It's often just part of the journey. One thing I've learned is that fear usually shows up when something matters. We rarely fear things we don't care about. We fear things that have meaning, things that have potential, things that could actually change our lives. That's why fear often appears right before growth. Now, I remember when I first started exploring entrepreneurship, I had so many questions, like everyone else. What if nobody listens? What if this doesn't work? What if I waste my time? The list seemed so endless. And the funny thing is, every answer I wanted was hidden behind the action. I couldn't think my way into certainty. I had to move my way into clarity. Here's something powerful. Fear asks, what if it goes wrong? But we rarely ask, what if it goes right? Optimism, right? What if this opportunity changes your life? What if that business becomes successful? What if you inspire someone? What if you're capable of much more than you realize? Fear often focuses on the worst case scenario. Growth requires us to consider the best case scenario too. The reality is that there are no guarantees, but staying exactly where you are has risk too. Many people think taking action is risky. Sometimes not taking action is even riskier. Years pass, opportunities disappear, dreams remain unfinished, regret begins to grow. One of my most favorite quotes say that courage isn't the absence of fear. It's moving forward despite it. That's what courage looks like. Not confidence, not certainty, just movement. You know, I can say that every successful person you've ever admired felt fear. That's real. The difference is they refuse to let fear become the decision maker. Fear can ride in the car, it just can't drive. And that's a lesson I've had to learn repeatedly. Whenever fear shows up now, I ask myself one question: will I regret that trying, or will I regret not trying at all? Most of the time, the answer is yes. And that's enough to help me move forward. As you work toward your goals, don't wait for fear to disappear. Take action while it's still there. Confidence grows through action, not before action. If you notice, I've been mentioning this over and over again throughout all our conversation. And every small step proves to yourself that you're stronger than you think. So if fear has been asking, what if? I want you to answer with this: what if everything works out better than I imagined? You won't know until you try. And sometimes the biggest breakthroughs begin with one small act of courage. If fear has been holding you back from pursuing a dream, starting a business, or creating more freedom in your life, reach out to me. I'd love to hear your story. You don't need all the answers to get started. You just need a willingness to take the next step. Let's explore what's possible together and help you move from what if to why not.